Hey guys, it's Nick with Vorsteiner. I'm here to introduce our new aero and wheel program for the G80 M3 and the G82 M4. Our aero program includes a new front spoiler as well as a new grille, which is compatible with the adaptive cruise control. For wheels, we have the VFF 107 and the VFF 103. Over here in the back, we have our new carbon DECKLID spoiler. And on the M4, we have our adjustable carbon GTS spoiler with aluminum uprights. This spoiler is compatible with both M4 and M3 models. We have more stuff coming for both these cars, so like, subscribe, comment, and let us know what you guys think.